Meaning of Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck.
Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck is the name of a well-known cartoon character in the Looney Tunes franchise. He is a black-feathered, anthropomorphic duck known for his wacky and unpredictable personality, often getting himself into trouble with his impulsive behavior. Created by Tex Avery and Bob Clampett in the 1930s, Daffy Duck quickly became a popular character in animated shorts and has since appeared in various television shows and movies. His name has become synonymous with silliness, humor, and entertaining antics that continue to captivate audiences of all ages.